Hi guys, welcome to Auto Insights. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 3 fuel injector cleaners you absolutely need to check out for 2025. Lucas Oil 1003, a heavy-duty cleaner like Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, or a precision instrument like Liqui Moly 2007, there's a fuel injector cleaner out there that's perfect for your needs. We'll break down their features, benefits, and even give you some insider tips on how to get the most out of them. First up, we've got a true classic in the fuel additive game. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. This stuff has been around for ages and for a good reason. It's like the duct tape of fuel additives. Lucas Oil 10003 is designed to work with both gasoline and diesel engines, so it doesn't matter if you're driving a gas-guzzling pickup truck or a fuel-sipping diesel hatchback, this stuff has got you covered. Now, what sets this cleaner apart is its focus on both cleaning and lubrication. It not only blasts away those stubborn carbon deposits from your fuel injectors, carburetors, and intake valves, but it also leaves behind a lubricating film that helps reduce friction and wear on your engine components. Lucas Oil 10003 has also been shown to improve fuel efficiency, and let's be honest, who doesn't love squeezing a few extra miles out of their tank? Next up, we're stepping up to the plate with Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. This is the fuel injector cleaner for those who demand the absolute best for their engines. It's like the high-performance sports car of fuel additives, specifically designed for gasoline engines. What sets Techron Concentrate Plus apart is its potent cleaning power. It's formulated with Chevron's patented Techron technology, which is like a microscopic scrub brush for your fuel system. This powerful detergent technology goes to work dissolving even the toughest deposits from your fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. And when I say tough deposits, I mean it. We're talking about the kind of gunk that builds up over time from using subpar fuel or just from the normal wear and tear of driving. Techron Concentrate Plus cuts through it all like a hot knife through butter. The result? A noticeable improvement in your engine's performance. You'll experience restored power and acceleration, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions. It's like giving your engine a new lease on life. Chapter 3. Liqui Moly 2007 Gasoline Injection Cleaner, the German precision instrument. One of the key benefits of Liqui Moly 2007 is its ability to restore proper spray patterns from your fuel injectors. Over time, deposits can build up and clog the tiny nozzles in your injectors, disrupting the fuel spray pattern and leading to reduced performance, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. Liqui Moly 2007 helps to clear away these deposits, allowing your injectors to deliver fuel with the precision and efficiency they were designed for. But it's not just about cleaning. Liqui Moly 2007 also helps to prevent future deposit buildup, keeping your fuel system running smoothly for miles to come. It's like a preventative maintenance treatment for your engine, and like the other cleaners on our list,